Victory has been a family-owned and operated business here in Huntington Beach since 1983. What Victory is doing that's different is we are manufacturing it here using the latest technology so that we are getting excellent quality and also saving labor, which we need to do in the U.S. At low minimums, quick turns, and excellent quality and the most innovative, environmentally conscious products available today.
Hi, my name is Carlea at Victory, and I'm here to talk about our chlorine-resistant rash guards. For the past couple of weeks, we've been doing a couple of experiments. What we've done in this experiment is we have taken two rash guards of the same print color. These are both navy rash guards, both brand new, and we've submerged them in heavily chlorinated water. And what happened is we get reactions like this, where the regular rash guard, either polylycra or nylon lycra, it will heavily fade in color, and it also hurts you start losing a lot of its stretch. So you see the chlorine resistant is just designed to hold up really well, to be very durable and long lasting.
We do paddling, we do swimming, running, we do a bunch of different fitness. We love the Koredry jerseys. The instructors have been using them. I've been using them for a long time. Kids love them because we're in and out of the water. We're always wet and sandy. They're incredibly durable. They don't stretch out. The kids love them, kind of protects them from the wind and the sun, as well as they're made in America, and our parents love that. Been working with Victory for a long time, doing my waterman camp and stand-up paddle and paddle races and lifeguard races, and I've come to them with some pretty bizarre requests late. They've never missed a deadline, and I love that it's a family business and you always kind of see the same people. You can call them up, get them on the phone, and get your orders.